Hey, my friends, it's Paul Bertzall, and I'm back with another video. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make $100 a day or more, at least $100 a day. Okay, and best of all, I'm going to show you easy ways to do it. I got two different ways today to show you how to make at least $100 an hour or $100 a day to be able to make money online. Okay, so hopefully you're ready. Oh, before I get started, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and check off that bell because I do produce regular videos on a regular time frame throughout the week, and I always showcase new ways to make money from home, and that's what you're going to get when you subscribe to this channel. So go ahead and do that right now. Smash the like button if at the end of the video, smash the like button if I have provided you value on showing you how to make money on home, because that's what this channel is about. Okay, so let's get into things now. The first site that I'm going to show you how you can make $100 a day or more is free to join. Both the programs today I'm going to show you are free ways to be able to make money online. Okay, it's called a website called Squad Help, and there are links to the two sites that I'm going to talk about today in the description box below. And this site is really easy to do, and it's awesome. They also have an app that you can do that if you have a mobile device and you want to do Squad Help on your mobile device. Basically, what this site does, it helps companies out there and brands out there before they launch products or websites or businesses to come up with names. And basically what they do is they crowdsource people like us to sign up for the program at Squad Help and employ Squad Help, and they hold contests. It's a really fun contest to do, and you name their company name or their website or their brand or whatever they're looking for, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. And you win $100, $200, or $300, and you can enter multiple contests, so you can do this every day and win at least $100. Okay, and it's really easy to do. All you need to do is give them a name for their website, give them a name for their brand, give them a name for the product that they want to launch, and you enter in a contest with dozens, hundreds, sometimes even thousands, but usually it's about 100 people, and you can win the prize that they're giving out. Now, can people really make money here? Absolutely. Look at some of the winners that have won contests. As I click on that, you can see some of the recent winners, the $100 winners, $300 winners. There's $200 generally, and here's a $500 one. So all these people did to win this money and get this money as a way to make money online is all they did was provide, and they got creative, and they gave a company name to the brand. And you can see by Lumo Brands, this person won $300. This person won $250. All you got to do is that. Just come here every day, and just like I do, and enter a contest name. Enter a contest, enter a name for the brand based around the description, which I'll show you in a second, and you can win $100, $200, $300, $500. The biggest day I've ever had was $800, and you can see there's significant money to be made here. As you can see, the amount earns. I just started doing this, so I just learned about it maybe a few weeks ago, but this has got to be one of the easiest ways to make $100 a day doing now. And you can see people have made 28 grand. $2,700, $2,500. There's lots and lots of people making money here, and there's no reason why you shouldn't be making money here. So how do you get started? You just go over to sign up here on the top right hand corner. You click sign up, put in your details, and create your account. They'll give you a two test contests that they want to make sure that you're not a bot and all that kind of stuff. And then you sign up for those contests, enter in the details, and you can see how the contests are actively running right now. Become a creative is what you want to do. Here are the active contests. I wanted to show you that before I move on to the next company. I'm showing you how to make at least $100 a day. So this one is a name for a digital 3D. All of these, by the way, right now there's 446 contests you can enter. Okay, and you can see that they offer $500, $500. $300, $300, $300. All these are $300. There's lots of ones that are $100, $200, $150, $300. There's lots of big contests out there for you to win. Obviously, the bigger contest, it attracts more entries. But all you got to do is you can click on this to see what the business or what their businesses around, what they want the name around. But basically, they want a name for a digital 3D modeling company. So all you got to do is come up with well, you got to be more creative than this, but XYZ modeling company. They'll give you information in here when you click on this to go into the contest to give you a description of what they're kind of looking for, and then they get all these people. So basically they crowdsource these 1931 people, as you can see right now, are entered into this contest to win the $500. And all they do, one of those 1931 people is going to win $500. What did this company accomplish? They accomplished a lot. They got to see what people would want this kind of company would be called. And for these companies, a lot of the branding companies, logo companies, all kinds of different internet technic companies, they're willing to pay us to do this. So that's the number one way today on the video. I got two ways to show you. I got one more to show you on how you can make $100 a day every day online. Just enter these contests. Like I said, I've won several hundreds of dollars in a day so far. I've only learned about it a couple weeks ago. There's been a couple days where I forgot to do it and that kind of thing, but it's fun to do. It's easy to do, and it's easy money in our pocket, right? Okay, so smash that like button if you're liking this kind of stuff. Okay, the next company that you could be making $100 a day on or more. And this company, I've been doing this for this whole year in 2019, and it's easy work, and you can get paid really good money. They pay every Friday by PayPal or direct deposit. You pick your own hours. All you need to do is go and sign up in this information right here. Go in here, sign up, become a processor for this company. Once you do that, you're going to land on a page like this, and the link to go to this company is in the description box below under cashflowposse.com. Cashflowposse.com. The company is called ubatracers.com, but I have a special link to go there because I became an affiliate with them. So I'd appreciate you going through my link so I get credit for it. Okay, and basically they have an orientation, and all you're going to do here is go through government data banks, find accounts that are more than a $250, and we get 10% finder's fees to do it. And you don't have to cost to join this thing either. Okay, you can do the Bank of Canada, you can do the Texas State Government Bank, as you can see that's up on the screen here right now. Watch these videos, they'll walk you through it, obviously. I'm not going to spend all that time in the video. I'm just trying to point you in the right direction. And then what you do when you find those accounts, you go back to this company's homepage once I get there, and then you claim these accounts. Okay, so I'll show you how to do that right now. Obviously watch this video up here, but I'm showing you quickly. All you do is put your name, email address, and everything like that so they know you're real. Now here's another special thing on here where it says if you were referred to UBA Tracers by someone, please provide their name so we may thank them. Can you do that for me? My name is Paul Birdsall. Birds all. Okay, just put my name in there. I really appreciate it. If you forget to do it, oh well. This video is here to help you, but I appreciate if you could give me a kudos and a thumbs up for that, because I get a little incentive to do that. So, and then you put the file numbers and name numbers in here. I've been doing this since late 2018, but full year right now today. This is what I've been earning. Okay, I'm going to go back here. I'm going to show you how to do it. Oh, sorry. I'm jumping all over the place with my ADHD here. So I claim that account. I fill out that form that I just showed you. In step 3, they're going to email you back and approve those for you to be able to database. That's what you're going to be doing here, databasing. And then you database the accounts you found in the data banks once you've been approved onto the submit forms. And once you've done that, they're going to pay you 10% of that money. You will find easily accounts over $250 when you do searches. You go and watch this video on step 2, and in step 1, jumping all over the place here. Again, I really apologize for that. Go to this account, find the accounts in there, and they'll be over $250. Watch the video on this page because she's going to walk you through how to do that. Okay, so you're going to they'll walk you through how to find the accounts in there, and as you can see on the screen right there, there's a $200-300 account right there. They'll show you how easy this is to do, and take my word for it because I wouldn't be recommending this if it wasn't simple, easy to make $100 a day or more, because that's what this video is about. This channel is about showing you legitimate ways, real ways, hardcore ways that you can make cash, cold hard cash in your hand. Okay, and so where was was I? Oh yeah, and then you get paid. So now once you forward those in, all you're doing is following these 4 steps. Okay? Don't worry about the referral program and all that stuff. If you're interested in other stuff, they have a weekly update. They have FAQs. They have all that kind of stuff about us pages. You can find out more about them by going to the link in the description box below this video. When you get over there, and then the last step is decide how you want to get paid. Do you want to get paid by PayPal? I do. That's how I get paid. You can get paid by direct deposit. I used to get paid that way, but PayPal, and then I can use the money online for other things I do. I do marketing things online and such. Or you can get paid by a company check, and they'll send it right to you. Okay? So that's UBA Tracers. Go through the link in the description box below so you can join through me and I can be a helpful resource for you. Okay? And that's it. These two places on this video, this single video I've just showed you here today, easily you're going to make $100 a day. Easily you will make $100 today if you decide to go over and start with them, either of them or both of them. I do them both. I suggest you do them both. Oh, one more thing. You might be saying, can you really make a lot of money with this processing unclaimed bank accounts thing? Well, here's the proof in there. There's me and there's my money. Okay, I've made over $200,000 doing processing with this company. I strongly suggest you head over there, get started with them. Take a look at Squad Help as well. It's easy to win those contests and it's fun. These are both fun, easy jobs and easy ways for you to make money online. If you're looking for something simple, I just showed you 2 of them. Be smart and go do them. Okay? Thanks for watching. Smash the like button. It'll encourage me to make more videos and show you more ways to make more money online by doing that. And I appreciate you watching this video. Paul Birdsall, I am out.